This is the next step in the Nature-Based Future Challenge. Over the past weeks, you've worked on the Mississippi River Delta region in South Louisiana. You studied the landscape, the water system, the communities, and the pressures the region faces. You made choices, set priorities, and turned your analysis into a clear proposal. It wasn't an easy selection, but from all submissions, 20 teams moved forward. These are the top 20 advancing in the Nature-Based Future Challenge. Blue Terra, Eco-Resilience MRD, Natura Labs, EcoQuest UEF, Sets and Deeds, the 5 River Alliance, Renature Mission, Hydro Soil Sense, Revival, Aqua Verde, Creweed 2122, Reboot, Living Downstream, Mississippi Beavers, Alluvia, Pulse, Rivierta, Spartina, and Confluence. Congratulations! We can't wait to see your final designs.